What do I do if the insurance company calls? The moment the insurance company calls you after an accident is one of the most important moments in your entire case, and most people have no idea. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do, what to say, and what to never say when the insurance company calls so you don't accidentally damage your own claim. Hi, I'm attorney Gray Broughton. We represent people across Virginia who've been injured through no fault of their own. We prepare every case as if it's going to trial, and we've helped clients recover millions of dollars after serious crashes and life-changing injuries. If you or someone you love has been hurt, contact us today at 804-507-5078. We're ready to fight for you. Insurance adjusters are trained professionals who handle hundreds of claims at a time, and they know exactly what questions to ask to get the information they need. So before you pick up that call, here's what you need to understand. Understand who you're actually talking to. When the insurance company calls you after an accident, they're going to sound helpful, patient, and genuinely concerned about how you're doing, and that's intentional. The adjuster on the other end of that call works for the insurance company, not for you. And their job is to resolve your claim for as little money as possible. That's not a criticism, that's just the reality of how the process works. So the very first thing you need to do when that call comes in is remind yourself of that fact, because the moment you forget it is the moment the conversation stops working in your favor. Know what you should and shouldn't say. There are things you can confirm on that call without hurting your case. Your name, the date of the accident, the general location where it happened. That's about it. What you should never do is volunteer information about how the accident happened, speculate about who is at fault, describe your injuries in detail, or tell them you're feeling okay. And that last one catches people off guard because it feels like the natural, polite thing to say when someone asks how you're doing. But remember that some injuries take days or even weeks to fully show up. If you've already told the insurance company you're feeling fine, that statement is now in their file and they will use it. Never give a recorded statement without a lawyer. At some point during that call, the adjuster may ask if they can record the conversation or take a formal statement from you. And most people agree because they feel like they have nothing to hide. But here's the thing. You are not legally required to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. And in most cases, you should not do it without first speaking to a lawyer. A recorded statement locks you into a version of events before you have all the facts, before you know the full extent of your injuries, and before you understand the value of your claim. And once those words are on the record, they are very difficult to walk back. Let your lawyer handle it. The most simple and effective thing you can do when the insurance company calls is to politely tell them that you have an attorney and that all communication should go through them. Once you have legal representation, the insurance company is required to deal with your lawyer directly. And that one step removes you from a conversation you should never have been having alone in the first place. Your lawyer knows how to communicate with the adjusters in a way that protects your case, controls the flow of information, and keeps your case moving forward without giving the other side anything they can use against you. If the insurance company has already called you and you're not sure what you may have said or agreed to, don't panic. Call us at 804-507-5078 or visit graybroughton.com. The sooner we get involved, the more we can do to protect your case. We have free consultations and we don't get paid unless you win. And make sure you watch our next video where we continue to walk you through everything you need to know to protect your rights and your recovery after an accident in Virginia.